straight arm suspension trainer rotations. You can either do this with gymnastics rings or a TRX type suspension trainer. This is a fantastic abdominal exercise, specifically targeting the obliques in a twisting fashion. You might even get a good pec pump as well when you get that squeeze. Now you're going to want to start in a staggered stance, as you see here. If the trainer is on my right side, I would typically have the left side forward, as this is going to be a little goofy. So trainer's on my right side, left leg forward. Start standing so the trainer is directly to the right side of basically the middle of your body. Make sure your feet are fairly in line. Perfectly in line is not necessary. Grab the trainer. If the suspension trainer is on my right side, I typically would just grab it with my right hand and then fold the other hand over the top. Go ahead and just let yourself fall back until your arms are completely straight. And keeping those arms straight, I want you to pull yourself up like so. You can't go fast. If you go fast, you likely will bend your arms. You need to keep those arms straight. Prevent from twisting the hips. The only twist action really comes from the upper body, and optimally your abs are doing the work to get you back up. Now, if you make this too easy, your arms will start bending and you're just doing a row, as you can see here. This is not difficult. All I'm doing is a row. So it's important that you keep those arms straight so the activation is coming from your abdominals. To make this exercise easier or harder, you can either lengthen or shorten the trainer or just step further or closer to the suspension trainer. If I step further away, it's gonna make it easier, right? Because I don't have as far to pull. And once I get upright, I'm not doing much work at all. So if it's too easy, go ahead and get a little closer. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Little by little you wear me down.
Thank you.